Hey there, it's Ross Nickerson at banjoteacher.com. I'm here today demonstrating the Recording King RK-R20 banjo. I hope you enjoy the video. Hey, it's Ross Nickerson again. I hope you enjoyed my playing video of the Recording King RK-R20. If you have any questions about this banjo or any of the other banjos I carry on my website, banjoteacher.com, please don't hesitate to call. My phone number is on the screen and I do answer the phone, and I'm always glad to help and talk banjos.